All right, it is finally here, my infinite object. This box is so heavy. I'm so excited. Basically, this is like an invention. This is an art print. It has my fingerprints on it already. But look at that. I've been trying to find cool new ways to decorate my apartment, and this is an art piece by this really amazing artist in New York, Gabrielle Benac. And I can't explain how heavy and amazing quality this is. Look at the detail. Wow, it's gorgeous. They're limited edition prints, but instead of like an art print that just sits there and does nothing, this one moves. And all I have to do is just take it out of the box. It comes with like an awesome stand for these big ones because they're massive. So basically I can put it on this stand and it's moving art for my home. Such a beautiful piece with like insane detail. I'm so excited to have this.